Good morning, all. My name is Aditya Kumar Singh, and I am a student of PGDMBM of FMS IRM. Here I am to present a topic on a case study of Sid Cafe. Sid Cafe. So, first of all, I want to tell you that the summary of this case study. So, basically, there are three main characters: Anita, alias Eder, and Anita's family is running a street cafe in front of Wadia Group of College. Anita falls in love with his classmate Alice during her MBA course, and Eder was son-in-law of Anita's father. So basically, in this story, the the three characters were decide to run their family business with some new concept and some new ideas. They want to change the menu of the cafe. They want to include beer, and they want to serve non-veg, and they want to keep a cafe open without break from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So basically this is the story, case study, summary of a case study. Now now uh, in this presentation, I will be talk about problems, the case, boundary limits, assumption, possible solution, and their evaluation section of selection of best solution, conclusion. Problem. The main problem in the case is Anita and Elias have to prepare a market feasibility report which include the study of market behavior, determination of market size, taste marketing, advertising, etc. So these are the problems they have to basically uh, overcome through these problems. Now, the case, as I told you, that Anita is presently pursuing MBA. Her family runs the very old famous Sid Cafe in front of Wadia Group of College. The timing is around 7:10 a.m. in morning to 12:05 p.m. in noon. Basically, the clients of the cafe are student and the staff of adjoining college. Anita, along with their classmate Alice and Eder, they also want to run the Anita's business. So Eder come with some new ideas, like they suggest Anita's father to serve beer and non-veg with the vegetarian menu. So these are the boundary limits. Students usually have limited disposable money, as we all know that student got very limited pocket money from their parents. So these are the boundary limits. Sad Cafe has been popularly for clean atmosphere and pure vegetarian menu. Basically, as we all know that from the past case study, that Anita's father is running very old, very famous old business. So the main focus of their cafe is pure vegetarian menu. Now they want to change the menu, and they want to serve beer and alcohol also. Cafe located on campus area, so this is the big challenge for them. Assumptions. Assuming that the college is located in city, there is no religious provocation associated with serving of non-vegetarian items. There is no ban on alcoholic drinks. Students in majority are from urban cities, as they are comfortable with concept of social drinking. Parent and faculty members do not consider alcohol as a social evil or taboo. Said cafe is popularly among the college students. So these are the assumptions. Problem, solution, and their evaluation. Continue with present state of affair, that is serving vegetarian item only. So these are the possible solution and their evaluation, that how they can rule the market, or how they can change their strategy to serve alcohol or beer or non-vegetarian items. Introduction of only non-vegetarian snacks but no beer. So this is the first thing they can do. If they go for a non-vegetarian item, they don't sell the beer. The positive thing is they might increase their consumer base, because this is the college. As we all know that college, many students prefer non-vegetarian also. So this is the thing that they might increase their consumer base. And the negative thing, they might lose a certain segment who are pure vegetarian. So as we all know that some of the college students are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian, so they might lose their vegetarian segment. Because if they want to serve non-vegetarian, then I don't think the student will prefer to go on non-vegetarian cafe instead of going vegetarian. And introduction of both non-veg and veg snacks and beer bar, but bar opens only after 5 in the evening, and non-veg snacks would not be served in the morning. So maybe they use this condition also. Need of procuring license for serving alcohol, this is the main thing. They need license for alcohol. Similarly, this might increase their client, the positive side. And the negative side is they might lose some of client, college discipline might be affected. So these are the some negative and positive pros and cons of applying that they want to apply beer or alcohol or non-vegetarian in their cafe. The important point to keep in mind is purchasing power of client. The new dishes that are introduced based being hygienic and the high and of high quality should be cost effective. So as we all know that many of people, the customer are from college background. So this is the main thing they have to focus. Beside advertising in front of college, they should go for advertise at other place, increase the consumer base and popularity. So they can also use this one. Implementing the new ideas would take a time approx 3 to 4 months, but during that time also the cafe should be run successfully. So if you want to change your business idea, or want to convert something, you want to introduce something new to your business idea, so it will take around 3 to 4 months to run the cafe, to market in the market. So between these time you also have to run your cafe successfully. Selection of best solution. And the most important thing is to do market research and knowing the taste and the preference of customer. If you read the case study carefully, they were planning to open beer bar and serving non-veg. In doing market research, the questionnaire should be designed for knowing the customer taste and the preference about food items, to check whether college authorities permit them to open beer bar in nearby areas. These things should be checked out. And the best selection and the best solution, sorry, as there are group of colleges, a proper feasibility survey should be conducted to know views and preference of college. As I said, they can serve non-veg cuisine during noon and evening time on and special requirement in morning. The drink can be also served late in the evening around 8 to 11 p.m. The cost factor should also kept in mind, as measure of client are student. These are the best possible solutions. And in last, I want to conclude, carrying out an extensive market feasibility research before introducing any change in the cafe is of utmost important to get insight into the customer's attitude and preference. So this is my conclusion, and thank you so much. Thank you.